First, for our cactus drawing, you're going to draw the bowl that it's sitting in. So you want to just go around the middle and draw an oval, and then bring it down, deciding if you want it to be more curvy or more straight like a planter. So I'm just sketching it in my pencil, and I'm just going across the bottom. Next up is the cactus drawings and succulents and stuff. So I'm going to just do one that's kind of like a circle first, and another circle on the top. You can add a little flower on some of these cactuses, so I'm just going to add like a swirly little flower, and then some lines down the cactus to show dents and grooves. And I'm sketching in pencil now, so if it's a little hard to see, sorry about that. I'll be going over it in marker shortly. But I'm going to sketch my second one. This one's more like a rainbow kind of a shape. It's a pretty big one. Kind of curving it toward the bottom so it's coming out of the dirt. You can make this like a prickly pear, like kind of make another curve coming off the side, and a little curve off that one too. So that's one way to do it. Next, I'm going to add some aloe. So I just make it kind of like spiky little triangles, like wiggly, almost like seaweed. So it's bigger at the bottom that goes up to a point, just kind of curving and overlapping. And then I do some wiggles at the bottom of each little cactus to show the dirt's kind of bumpy. I'm going to do one in the background, maybe another like little prickly pear, kind of a cactus. And since I don't need two prickly pear ones, I'm going to just change up my idea, make a traditional kind of desert cactus. So I'm just going to go over, up and over, kind of like an arm or like a glove looking almost kind of cactus with some wiggles down it. Once you got a bunch of cactuses in there, you can design the bottom of your pot. So Native American pottery was very detailed, lots of patterns and designs. So I'm just kind of sketching out like how many sections I might want to have, slightly curving them. And triangles are always fun, like zigzags. You can make up your own designs. I kind of made these like eyeball kind of waves next. Maybe some like spirally shapes would be neat to do. But you can really decide whatever you like to do is fine to decorate. And I'm going to add some checkerboard at the bottom. So just kind of going straight down and kind of curving it slightly, and I'm going to color them in a checkerboard kind of fashion. Oh, and also add your horizon line, like a tabletop even. So you can use a ruler, just go eyeball it and just draw a line going across the background. Next is the sharpieing and tracing. So you're going to carefully trace over all of your lines in black marker. I'm being very careful to not trace that back part of the oval I first drew, because I want the plants to go on top like of that line, so when I erase it will be gone. So do my horizon line, maybe add some like little dirt and sand in the ground, and then I'm just gonna erase. So before I'm done for the first part of the day, I'm gonna add some spikes and prickly marks. So I'm gonna do on the traditional kind of cactus, just some like little short straight lines kind of coming all over it. You can add more than mine if you'd like. For the aloe, maybe some like wiggles. And for this cactus on the side, it's pretty cool. Like you can add some spikes to it. I added some that were basically just X's. So I just did XXX over and over on everywhere, so it looks like there's lots of spikes coming off of it. And we want to do the spikes in Sharpie so that when we color it in crayon or color pencil that we can still see them showing through. And on the prickly pear in the back, I just added some little dots, kind of. Prickly pears aren't like super duper spiky, so just like finish it up and thanks. You're good.